Today's Wellness Minute is the first step to saving money. Sometimes the hardest thing about saving money is just getting started. The first step to start saving money is to figure out how much you spend. Keep track of all your expenses. That means every coffee, household item, and cash tip. Once you have your data, organize the numbers by categories, such as gas, groceries, and mortgage, and total each amount. Use your credit card and bank statements to make sure you're accurate and don't forget anything. Look for a free spending tracker to help you get started. Choosing a digital program or app can help automate some of this work. Stay well.